Hi, we're here today to talk about the Avigilon H5A fisheye camera recently released by Avigilon. We just want to bring some benefits to you really and let you know where the best place to use it, and Steve's going to tell you all about it.
Yes, so fisheye camera, meaning it's a hemispheric lens, gives a 360-degree view from wherever you put it, so perfect to be installed in the middle of a room, middle of the reception, so gives a perfect view of the entire room. It does have a built-in microphone, which is great, records the audio as well as the video. Perfect for reception areas where you've got interactions between staff and public. You've got the audio backup just in case there is any sort of issue that goes on there. It's brilliant. We've actually had a customer use it in a training centre where they train people to take phone calls, and they're able to listen back to the footage as well, just to make sure that everything's just right and how they want it, which is brilliant. The fact that the camera is also available with infrared is great. Perfect at night time as well as daytime, keeps you really well protected.
Brilliant. We have these on our website now, so if you go onto our website, have a look at the products, you can find one and you can actually order one. If you need to, you can actually have a chat with us online, so one of our experts here can have a chat with you for 20 to 30 minutes just to let you know about what the benefits are and go a little bit further into that for you. Any other information you need from us on our YouTube channel, we've got other videos there that can help you too.